Foldylock Compact. Meet Foldylock Compact, the ultimate bike security solution. It's not just a lock. It's compact, foldable, and incredibly practical. Unlike other locks, it's exceptionally robust, passing tests against saws, wire cutters, hammers, and extreme temperatures. Plus, it's versatile, allowing you to fix it at any angle for added convenience. When not in use, simply attach it directly to your bike frame. It's always there when you need it. With a price tag of $85, it's a small investment for invaluable peace of mind. Don't compromise on bike security. Choose Foldylock Compact for reliable protection wherever you go. Argo Cargo Kit. Looking for eco-friendly mobility solutions? Cargo bikes are gaining popularity, but what if you need both a regular vehicle and a cargo carrier without taking up too much space? Argo Cargo Kit has the answer. In just a minute, it transforms an ordinary bicycle into a cargo powerhouse. The kit includes a frame and a cargo compartment, easily attaching to the bike's fork after removing the front wheel. Sturdy, stable, and reliable, it can withstand hours of use. The spacious basket can carry loads up to 68 kilograms, offering versatility for various needs. Priced at $1,150, it's a worthwhile investment for those seeking practicality and sustainability in their transportation solutions. Say goodbye to space constraints and hello to effortless cargo transportation with Argo Cargo Kit. Monkeycycle. The problem with most children's bikes is their cost, and as kids grow, their bikes quickly become outdated. But here's the surprise. The Monkeycycle, the world's first transformable bike, changes that. It adapts as your child grows, spanning 8 different models. From 9 months to 6 years, it's there every step of the way. Starting as a bike and evolving into a mini car pushed with feet, it adjusts to your child's height, shedding extra wheels as they grow. It's hard to believe, but it's true. Monkeycycle offers incredible value, priced at just $200. Say goodbye to constantly replacing bikes and hello to a ride that grows with your child. With Monkeycycle, you're investing in years of fun and adventure. Hexagon. Cycling safely in a bustling city poses challenges, but solutions exist. Meet Hexagon, a tail light designed to keep you safe on urban roads. This clever device attaches to your bike and syncs with your smartphone. Its built-in camera streams real-time images to your phone mounted on the handlebar, giving you eyes on the road behind you. But Hexagon is more than just a camera. It serves as a directional and brake light, enhancing your visibility to other road users, especially in low light conditions. Plus, it features an intermittent mode for added safety. Priced at just $40, Hexagon offers peace of mind and convenience. And here's a bonus. You can even stream videos directly from your bike. Stay safe, stay visible, and enjoy your ride with Hexagon. Moto Parilla Carbon. If you're someone who loves standing out and turning heads, then the Moto Parilla Carbon is made just for you. Crafted by the Italian company Moto Parilla, this bike is truly remarkable. Let's dive into its details. First, the tires are big and aggressive, offering not only stability but also exceptional grip for off-road adventures. One of its key features is the high-performance electric motor, cleverly tucked within the frame for longer rides with less fatigue. The carbon fiber frame and front fork make it sturdy, lightweight, and highly maneuverable. Safety is paramount, with top-quality brakes and handlebars. Depending on the series, prices range from $6,000 to $11,000. With Moto Parilla Carbon, get ready for an exhilarating ride that'll make heads turn wherever you go. Retyre Modular Tire System. For cycling enthusiasts who crave efficiency and versatility, the Norwegian company Retyre has introduced an innovative solution. Picture this. You're biking along, and suddenly, you encounter a change in terrain. No problem. With retyre's modular system, adapting to different surfaces is a breeze. Here's how it works. Carry an extra set of tires in a compact bag. When you need to switch, simply unzip and replace the tire tread in less than a minute. It's that easy. Whether you're going from asphalt to sand or tackling gravel, snow, ice, or off-road trails, retyre has you covered. Plus, the system is compatible with any bike. Prices range from $45 to $88, ensuring you get the right tires for your adventure without breaking the bank. Duro Rise. Let's dive into the world of electric bicycles with the Duro Rise, brought to you by the American company Duro Bikes. This sleek ride resembles a scooter or motorcycle, but doesn't require a special license. Its powerful 1000-watt electric motor ensures smooth cruising, reaching speeds of up to 45 km per hour. With a quick 5-hour recharge time, it can cover 64 km on a full battery. Prefer pedaling? No worries. The electric motor kicks in to assist on challenging terrain like steep hills. Plus, the Duro Rise features multi-purpose tires for both road and off-road adventures, adjustable suspension, and bright lighting for added safety. Prices start at $2,400. Unit 1 Faro. Meet the Unit 1 Faro, a bike helmet that not only protects but also enhances visibility, especially in low light conditions. Equipped with a full LED lighting system at the front and rear, it alerts motorists to braking and turning actions, ensuring cyclists' safety on the road. Designed for comfort, it boasts water resistance and a smart ventilation system. Priced at $169, it's a worthwhile investment for safer rides. Stroke Cargo Trike. Introducing the Stroke Cargo Trike from the Japanese company Envision. This innovative 3-wheeled electric vehicle boasts a unique design, featuring 2 spacious compartments at the front. These compartments come with their own independent suspension, ensuring stability during turns and preventing tipping. With a hefty load capacity of up to 60 kilograms, it's perfect for hauling goods. Plus, in the most economical riding mode, it can cover an impressive 150 kilometers on a single charge. Isn't that remarkable? Bosch Kiox. Now, let's talk about the Bosch Kiox. This handy gadget is a must-have for any bike enthusiast. It's a compact onboard computer with a user-friendly interface that mounts onto the handlebar. Once connected to your smartphone via Bluetooth, it provides navigation guidance, indicating turn-by-turn directions and the remaining distance of your journey. It's a game-changer for cyclists everywhere.